welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of these products from MixEasy. So if you guys want to hear about what MixEasy is and hear my thoughts on the products, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that MixEasy did reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to test out their products, and I said yes because their company is so cool. The concept of it is amazing, and I am so happy that they asked me if I would like to receive their products because I've really been liking them. So if you guys don't know what MixEasy is a website where you can customize your own shampoo, conditioner, face cream, and cleanser. They were nice enough to send me the shampoo, conditioner, and face cream. I really want to make my own cleanser, so let me know in the comments down below if you think I should make my own cleanser and if you want me to review it for you guys, because I definitely will. Like I said, these products are so cool, and just the concept of the whole website is so cool. So this is how the package came. Very brightly colored, which I really like. Give me like some nice summer vibes. I think I received this on a rainy day too, so it was nice to see some like bright colors. And everything came in these like bubble wrap sleeves, which I really liked because everything was nice and safe. Nothing came broken. There was no like shampoo all over the box or anything. So that, you know, made me feel really nice, like really good about the company. I have notes written down, so if at any point in this video I'm looking down, that is why. So all of MixEasy products are natural and organic, vegan friendly, cruelty free, freshly prepared, premium quality. They have easy returns on their website if you don't like what you got. They're handmade and they're made just for you. There are no parabens, no sulfates, no harsh chemicals, no toxins, no dyes, no silicones, no mineral oils, and no animal testing. So when you go on MixEasy's website, I tried so hard to film this part for you guys, but the footage came out so bad. So I'm just going to describe it to you guys. So you go on and you make your profile and you pick what product you want to make. So say you want to make the face cream, so you choose face cream, and then it's going to give you three options. It's going to say oily, combo, and dry. I couldn't think of the last one. So you pick whichever skin type you have, and then it brings you to a page with all of the ingredients that you can pick, and you can choose up to 6. And then once you're done picking your 6 and going through everything and making sure you're happy, you go to the next screen, which is just if you want to put a fragrance, and you can choose between 3 fragrances or no fragrance, and then you add it to your cart and you name it. You also name it before adding to your cart. So it's really easy and simple. It takes, if you're not me, it might take you less than 30 minutes, but if you're me, it's going to take you longer. But if you really want to read and make sure you're getting what you want, take your time. You know, it's really quick and easy once you like get the gist. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the face cream, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the packaging, like I already said. I just love the flowers and the yellow. It's so cute. And the pump. Love a pump. Pumps are the best. So I'm going to be looking down for this part because I need to read and I can't memorize it. So I actually named this Moisturize Me. Wait till you hear the other names. They're really fun and original. The base for this I chose was dry because I have dry skin. And my key ingredients are hyaluronic acid to help plump and hydrate my skin, arnica extract to help make my skin blemish free, propolis extract to help nourish and soften the skin, calendula extract, I don't know if I'm saying any of these right, to help calm my sensitive skin because my skin is nice and sensitive, green coffee extract to make the skin naturally luminous, and rosehip extract for dewy looking skin. So I would say that my cream that I customized totally lives up to the hype. Blemish free is like the only thing I'm not sure if it lives up to. I think it does. I'm looking at my skin in the mirror now and all my pimples actually went away. What? I guess they were like hormone pimples. So it's been helping my skin stay blemish free. I really like it. The face cream is $40. These products are a little pricey, but This is 2 pumps a day, and I've been using it every day for about 2-3 weeks now. And I feel like I've barely used any product. Like, it still feels a little heavy in here. So I do feel like it is totally worth it because, like I said, I've been using it every day and it's barely gone down. Next, I'm going to be talking about the shampoo. Again, love the packaging and the bright colors. I named this one Volumize Me. I don't know why. My base is a normal / colored shampoo because I have colored my hair, but I also didn't want dry or hydrating shampoo because that's been making my hair really oily, and I just don't also have oily hair, so that's why I went with that. And the fragrance I chose is Sunlight Dance, which is a really nice, like, citrusy smell. It smells so good, and it's perfect for summer to smell. And it just, like, exploded out of here. Oh, lovely. Okay, and the key ingredients for the shampoo are a Chilla extract for anti-dry scalp, calendula extract to nourish, arnica extract to eliminate buildup, green coffee extract to lengthen, gooseberry extract to boost volume, argan oil to repair. And the total for the shampoo is $35. I know, pricey again, but this all lives up to the hype. My hair, normally once I wash it with like my Not Your Mother shampoo that I've been using, it's the blue sea kelp one or whatever, my hair is so flat. I have to put mousse in my hair to give it like a little bit of a lift, to give it some life. This, my hair has that life. It's so amazing. I love it. So that's why I think it's worth the money. Also, I'm able, if I don't go swimming, I'm able to go a week without washing my hair. If I don't go swimming. If I go swimming, I will wash my hair. But a week, it's awesome. And I think it's honestly because of that arnica extract. It helps get that buildup out, and it helps like clarify the hair a little bit. I really love it, and the smell is just so so good. And last but not least, we have the conditioner, and this is the packaging again, love the colors. The colors of all the packaging is just so pretty and fun. And the base I chose again is normal and colored, and the fragrance again is Sunlight Dance. I didn't want to do 2 different scents because that would have just been too much. Like, you cannot do that, okay? And the key ingredients for this are silk protein to help your split ends, red currant extract to help detangle, magnolia lily flower extract for anti-frizz, black currant extract to promote hair growth, green coffee extract for lengthening, arnica extract to eliminate buildup. And the total for this little guy is $34. So, like usual for conditioner, a little bit goes a long way. So, $34, like I said, I know it's pricey, but it's worth it. Because, I mean, my hair is not so frizzy, especially with the humidity that this summer has bringing us here in New Jersey. And my hair hasn't been, it's like all tangled after I shower. It's been feeling so soft. My split ends, not even there. So good. It is so, so good. I honestly recommend trying out these products, even if you just try one thing like the face cream or something. Highly recommend. The whole fact that you can customize everything yourself is just honestly what sold me, and I would honestly make all this stuff again. Thank you so much, MixEasy, for sending me all these awesome products. I really, really do love them. You guys should definitely go try them out. I have a discount code, which is right here if you want to try it out. It'll also be linked down below in the description box, and along with their website if you guys want to try anything out. Like I said, I know it's pricey, but even if you want to try just one thing, try it out because it's so good. It's totally 110% worth it. I have been loving everything that I received. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!